Hi everyone, in this video I will talk about Bitmoji 3D avatars. Now I know there are a lot of videos out there about Bitmoji, but Lens Studio keeps updating the app and there are new tools every day, and yeah, I wanted to make an updated version, and I also wanted to make it a series where I cover hopefully everything. So yeah, keep watching, it's gonna be quick, easy and direct, and by the end of it hopefully you'll be familiar with Bitmoji lenses. Okay, so let's start. First thing you need to do is click on the asset library, type the word suit. Okay, download this. I already did, so no need. Then go to Window, Editors, Bitmoji Suite, and then click here. Okay, so you will notice 3 windows here: Outfit, Animate, and Props. I will talk about this one and this one. This one I will keep it for another video. This is very easy. About the first one, you will change the clothing, and you can also add bag, footwear, or glasses. I'm gonna go for dress, or you know what? I have an idea for this lens, so I'm gonna put some clothes that will fit my idea, and I'll be back. It took me some time because there are a lot of options to go through, whether here or here. So whatever you need, you're gonna find it. Okay, so the next one is Animate, and it's about animation. There are a few options, but we're going to the animation library. And we have action and emotions. You can type the word you need, or you can just see the first 2 seconds of every animation. I'm gonna type the word child here. Okay, let me see. Okay, once you click on apply, it will be applied to the one in the preview. You'll just have to wait a little bit. Okay, so here's my Bitmoji, but I need just to change the position of this Bitmoji in the scene. So click on the scene, okay? Then click here. If you don't see it, click here. If you can't see the arrow, just click on the camera and go back, and it will be here. So let's bring it back. Okay. Okay. In the sake of my idea, I don't want it to be loop. Go to the animation player and change it to ping pong. It can be played once here, or loop, or ping. So adjust it according to your idea, but I need it to be ping pong. Okay. I need to add an image, background image. Just click here, screen image. Okay, so I need to stretch it. As you can see, it covered the Bitmoji, and we can solve this. Just click on the camera, change the render order. Okay, and here's my Bitmoji. I still need to bring it back, bring it down a little. So yeah, I also need to add another Bitmoji. So you can go to Window and repeat the whole process, or you can just duplicate it. I need 2, so I'm gonna duplicate it twice. I'm gonna disable the image so I can see, and then I'm gonna bring it here, and the other one to bring it here. Okay, I'm still gonna adjust the clothing and the animation, and I will be back. Okay, I don't know if you can understand my idea, but here is a child trying to do a child walk with his parents cheering for him. Still needs some adjustment, and we're gonna do that together. The first thing I need to do is make the parents larger. So to do that, go to this, and we're gonna add maybe 5. Okay, that's big, but I need it to be bigger, maybe 7. Okay, And the other parent, I'm gonna do the same. 7. Yeah, they're slightly larger. I'm gonna adjust the position. Okay, if you need to change the Bitmoji type, not, make it your friend, for example, go to the Bitmoji you need to change and then click here, from me to my friend or my AI if you want to. Okay, so my friend, the other one, the same thing, but if you need to change, you don't want them to be the same friend, you can go to friend index and then click here. So it's a different person. Okay, one more thing. If you want the objects to blend in more with the image, if you want to make it more realistic, we're gonna do one more thing. Go here and then click shadow plane. Okay, let's just bring it up. And go to the light, enable shadows, and then go back to the shadow plane. Okay, it's here, it just needs to be bigger. Yeah, this is much better. So yeah, here's my lens. I hope you like it. I hope it was clear. Keep watching the next video because I'll be talking about something very interesting.